I have seen a lot of discussion on the camping channels and the RVing channels about a basic toolkit, some about a basic wardrobe, but I haven't seen anything about a sewing kit. Sooner or later, you are going to pop a button or rip a seam, and you're going to have to fix it. This is what I carry, just a basic kit. It's in a little nylon pouch, about 7 inches by 8.5 inches. Everything fits in there that I normally would need. And here it is. Of course, there's needles, regular straight needles, and there's threads. I carry 5 different colors. Most of what I end up needing to fix are our buttons or such off the pants, and maybe off of shirts. So I have white, black, navy. This is the color of my upholstery. It's a dark teal. And for some reason, we have a lot of red stuff. So I've got that. Now, scissors, a little roll of elastic. I don't even know why I've never used it. I don't even know why I still have it. Tape measure. This is Velcro. It's got both sides here all rolled up together. You can snip off however much you need and sew it onto what you need it for. Seam ripper. Yes, you can use a pocket knife, but you run a risk of cutting your fabric with the pocket knife. A seam ripper is really a lot better. Double-sided tape. I used to have fabric glue, but I never used it. I do use the double-sided tape. This is an assortment of needles, and it is for an assortment of things: upholstery, leather, carpet, sacks. If I ever needed to do an emergency repair to the awning, I could use one of the needles in here. And here we have a little tub I picked up at Joann Fabrics. You can pick them up at Michael's too. Straight pins, safety pins, an assortment of buttons, needle threader. You might not need it. My eyes are 70 years old. I need it. And a magnet. This magnet is the same kind you can pick up in most of the souvenir shops. Excellent for pulling needles and pins out from behind corners, behind cushions. If some pins I have noticed will come and they're not magnetic, you don't want to lose those things and step on them barefoot in your RV. If you find that the pins are non-magnetic, take them back, throw them out. Thimbles, and that's it. I can pretty much fix anything I need to fix with this. So that's what I carry.